Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2017 Ford Transit XLT. The exterior color is a Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and our halogen high and low beam headlamps in the front. We have our grille hood vents as well as our 16-inch wheels at the side, wrapped in our all-season tires. This Transit has a sliding door on the right side, as well as a total of 8 seats, with 2 bench seats sitting 3 passengers comfortably. And at the side, we also have our black mirror cap with our black door handles. At the rear, we have our tow and trailer package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our Transit 150, EcoBoost, and XLT with the Ford badging, as well as we have our 2 doors which swing open, as well as our backup camera to assist in any parking needs. We have tons of driver friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as a cup holder compartment and power locks and power windows. We also have our power adjustable mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial. And as we get into the cabin, the driver is able to enjoy a 10-way adjustable seat with heated seating. And at the steering wheel, we have our clustered trackpad, which also allows us for cruise control settings. And as we look above, we have our auto dimming rearview mirror, as well as our cabin lights and more lights to light up the Transit. This Transit has 37,186 kilometers on it. And we also have our entertainment system, which allows for radio connectivity, CDs, media controls, as well as our LCD screen, which displays our backup camera. And as we look at our climate control area, we have air conditioning and heating throughout the cabin, as well as a 12-volt adapter and a glove box, as well as another 12-volt adapter with our cup holder and cubby holds, and our integrated trailer braking system. As we step into the rear of the Transit, we have our first bench seat, which allows for 3 passengers to sit comfortably with tons of leg room, as well as a cup holder for each passenger on the left and right side. As well as we get into the second row, we have 3 passenger bench seating as well, and a nice cargo area to fit any needs possible. As well as we have our vents on the roof to make sure that the drivers are staying cool, as well as the passengers in the rear are staying cool with their own temperature control. If you have any more questions about this beautiful piece, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.